This is a tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for north central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida until 7:45 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Palm Valley, or 7 miles south of Ponte Vedra Beach, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central St. Johns County. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: St. Johns, Florida.